starting a project. Might be a fail, but figure might as well document, see what happens. We have a safety out, so I'll show you guys. So we're trying to delete the secondary catalytic converters. We can hear we're chopping the exhaust right now. We're attempting. So I have some flex pipe. Not a permanent solution, but something for the time being. So I'll update you guys as we go. Okay, fingers crossed we got success. So in review, I know it's kind of a hack job, but we try to keep it as a clean hack job. So we use flex pipe. First off, we cut both sides out, try to find the best spots. I'll try to get you guys a good angle. So this is the driver's side. We cut it right after the exhaust bracket. And then you can see that's where we clamped on to the existing pipe. And then here's where that one met. So driver's side again. And then passenger side is more of a straight shot. Let me flip around. So it's more of a straight shot. And again, right after the exhaust bracket. So did have to drop the cross member for the transmission and just kept this supported while we were working. And then we used 2 1/4 OD pipe, I think, and then we kind of made some relief cuts and bent them in a little bit to fit into the stock piping, and then we slipped the flex pipe over the other side of it, so it's kind of like a holding joint in the middle, and then put the flex pipe on top, and then put the clamps over it. So you can see clamps sucked down over top. This one didn't tighten down all the way, but we broke one of the bolts over here, so I figured just leave it for now. Maybe I'll get some bolts and we'll try again later, but for now that is the setup. I don't think this is a permanent solution, obviously, but should do for a little while. And then eventually I'd like to take it to an exhaust shop and get it welded properly with some actual piping, but let's start it up and see what happens. I've got the recording. You just hold it like somewhere. What's that? I don't know, actually. I hear it.
Hold this all the wonders.
We got some leaks. We definitely got some leaks. Alright, so we think we found the leak. Took the cross member off again. And I think it was coming from that front one right there, as it got pretty crimped. So we're gonna cut that one off. Luckily there's still enough to work with. We're gonna cut that one off and kind of redo the process. So you can see that the open pipe right there. We're gonna put an insert into there, and then we'll slip the remainder after we cut that chunk off back on. And here's one of the old cats. There's definitely some stuff kind of crumbling out of it. Could have been from the fronts actually falling back into them. But the honeycomb inside actually on these ones wasn't in that bad a shape. If you can see it at all. Kind of. But yeah, there's definitely some kind of debris falling out. It looks like some maybe some platinum. Get some moolah. All right, take 2. Oh, why not? Sounds better. What's going on, you guys? It's the next morning, actually, Easter Sunday. Just wanted to give kind of the final thoughts before I close out the video. So first off, let's get a cold start. So overall, I mean, for 40 bucks worth of parts, which I'll link down below, not bad. I mean, the reason I did this is because the muffler shops up here, even though Washington's made it legal now for carb compliancy to not have catalytic converters, like we're not doing smog testing at least, muffler shops still won't cut them off for you. So the plan was just to get these out and come up with a temporary solution, so that I can then take it to a muffler shop to weld some straight pipe in, because they won't cut them out for me, so I had to do it. But of course I didn't want to drive around with, you know, open exhaust right after the primary cat. So this is a solution for that. Obviously not permanent. We got it pretty close. There's still like some tiny leaks. I can hear them a tiny bit under the car. When I'm driving, I can't really hear it, to be honest, but over time, you know, I want it to be as efficient as possible, so we're gonna get it done the right way. But this is the way I had to do it. So 40 bucks and some time wasn't too bad, and glad to have them out. And I think I want to take out the resonator as well. I was thinking about putting a like the little single or double chamber race mufflers in there, like similar to like a Flowmaster 44. I was gonna put that in place of the resonator. So just do, you know, 2 and whatever muffler shop wants to use. I think 2.5 will fit over the 2.3 that's stock. So maybe 2.5 to a single 3-inch to the stock piping back to the muffler. Yeah. Till then, my miles per gallon still sitting at the same thing, so I guess I'll update with results as we go. On the forum, supposedly people are getting up to like 19 miles per gallon once they take out the secondary cats, so we'll see if any of that holds true. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and stay safe and enjoy. Peace.